Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this video, we're gonna spill the drone camera DJI Mini 3 Pro. Yeah, at night. On request from one subscribe. There asked Punk how for his nighttime camera. How is the atmosphere in my brother's place? Well, now here, opportunity, I'm giving away. Oh, man, spill scenery at night by using drones, yeah, with heights reaching 1,500 feet, yeah, from the landings. So here we can see the atmosphere of the night is so beautiful in my place. So here I am trying to increase the height of the drone until it reaches the maximum limit. It is read by RC. So this is still a height in between 158. Yeah, from my place, raising this drone up so guys can see the atmosphere from above. Yeah, lots of light bulbs that has shrunk, yes, and even then a lot of vehicles that can you guys see very small ones because the height has reached 350 meters more from the surface where the landing drone was. Okay, here camera of the drone is so sharp.
Yeah.
So the lights that from a distance we can see and visible latitude, such a beautiful road is amazing. Okay guys, for who have requested to showcase the nighttime vibe by using drones, so I fulfill. Thank you been stopping by my channel, and don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, let me get even more excited for the drone video making. Okay guys, here I am trying to raise the altitude from his drone to the maximum who have, according to the rules, the drone itself. Yes, so if you guys have a drone, guys can see, yes, tutorial of how to use drone to keep the drone safe when it is being flown. Yes, here already reached the height of 560. Yes, so here I also increased the height of his drone and rotated to see the view shots. Yes, here I want to zoom in a little bit to make it looks more cinematic and aesthetic, so we can see the shoulder of the road. It's so small from above. And here I am. What's the name? You can see the view the villages across from the one where I landed the drone. Okay, that's it. Later for the next video, please guys want me to request, well, it's a view tour or mosque. Can ya comment on my YouTube channel? Thank you. While enjoying, I am Haterken. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.